once products have been installed, can we perhaps visit site to go and sign it off or check it's okay? Yep. What's our view on that, Craig?
Yeah, well, it's an interesting one. It is, I suppose it's a hotly debated topic, excuse the pun. But ultimately, it's great having great products and great systems and great designs and early engagement with these things, but the products are only as good as how they're installed. So it is a really important point, the inspection that they, to make sure they are installed in accordance with the test evidence. On face value, there's only so much you can see. So if you've got a 10mm annulus requirement around let's say a CPVC sprinkler pipe, is that sealant just painted onto the face of the bat, or is it actually the correct depth? Is it the full depth of the fire bat? So an inspector's role actually can be quite difficult, because just visually inspecting, you can only see half the picture. So really, where there's a requirement for inspection, it's going to be very much down to individual contract requirements, I would suggest. But ultimately, we've got independently tested products, independently certified installers. Does it not make sense to have independent inspections? Question. As I say, it's a hotly debated topic. Yes, for sure, we as a manufacturer know our products really well. We know how they should be installed. But as I say, if we were to go onto site, we can only see what we can see.
Yeah.
So I guess that's where the benefits of using a third-party accredited contractor come in, because they would generally be doing progressive installation reporting, taking before, during and after photographs. So from those photographs, you should be able to determine whether the sealant is painted on the surface or whether it's within the full depth of the bat.
Yeah.
So independent inspection as part of the accreditation scheme, absolutely crucial.
Yeah.
Maybe independent inspection in addition to that. As I say, we know our products, we know what they should look like, but it's actually more than just looking at the products, and we are not inspectors.
No, absolutely.
So we can't be expected to come to site and kind of, if you like, sign off installations, because there's only so much we can see.